We are here since what time? 10? No, 9?
9 when we got here.
8. We got here at 8.
No, we didn't. We were on the road at 8. We got here around 9. Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel.
So, yeah, wow. So, we're gonna start vlogging our dance life with. But anyways, our dance competition do not start until 2:30. So my girls are like slowly arriving. Oh, my makeup look like a hot mess. Slowly arriving. พี่น้องเชิญจ้าจะเข้าเป็นเลยreally nice เพราะฉะนั้นจะเข้าเป็นจะดีกว่าตาม so don't judge Una but see you know bitch she look pretty bitch don't know she look pretty bitch don't know for the dance girls and look I got a jacket I got a shirt
I did too.
okay I saw her break the ice. See you all the time. Something lost, leave it on the ground. No, take it off. 1, 2, 3, AKT! Let's go. Hi guys, don't mind my bare face. I have a lot of acne, I know, but it is officially, what time is it? 10:57. We checked it out already, but before this time, we actually had a quick run through at the park before we came back to the hotel. Right now we're just chilling, relaxing, honestly getting feet massages from each other because it's been a long, hot, tiring day. We just cannot wait until round 2 tomorrow. So good night. So we are actually waiting for the song. It is, what time is it, bro? It's 4:25. It's 4:25 and we are just now trying to see if they're going to do, or if they're going to announce dance or singing results first. So stay tuned.
可能要叫过杯，叫过杯，point 机。有把我准备好我，才更是。
ชายเกิดจงจงและพวกเราที่อ้อเทียน
Okay, so we just got done with our results and signing our life away. My girls placed up to second place. Thai Inja, right? Got third, and then Kokaying got first.
Yeah.
I know I feel like I'm not rooting for my own team. It's not that, but it's just I have been watching Kokaying like grow up, like they grew up, they glowed up, like it's about time. It's about time that they because you know they're really good. Like yeah, I'm gonna put our all the videos I took together. So how do you feel?
Good.
What do you feel like was one of the weakest? Okay, yeah. What's your name?
Serenity.
And what is your name? Okay, so what do you guys feel that we could have improved on so that next time we can just take it to the top?
Energy. Yeah.
And what?